Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge, the practical culinary education podcast. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza. In this episode, we will explore one of Italy's greatest cheese, Grana Padano. Grana Padano is a complex, semi-fat Italian cheese that has been a staple of Italian cuisine for over 1,000 years. It is made from cow's milk and often compared to Parmigiano-Reggiano due to its similar texture, taste, and production process. The cheese is named after the Padana Valley in northern Italy, where it originated. The production process for Grana Padano is a time-honored tradition that has been passed down for several generations. The process starts by milking the cows, which is done twice daily to ensure the milk is fresh. The milk is then transferred to larger copper vats, which are heated and mixed with natural rennet. The rennet helps to solidify the milk and form curds, which are then cut and left to settle for a few hours. Once the curds have settled, they are scooped out of the vats and placed into their appropriate molds. The molds are heavily pressed to remove any excess whey and shape the cheese. The cheese is left in the molds for a day, after which it is removed and placed in a saltwater bath for around 20 days. This particular process helps to give the cheese its unique flavor and texture. After the cheese has been salted, it is left to mature for at least 9 months. The cheese is then carefully monitored and turned regularly during this time to ensure an even aging. And the longer the cheese is aged, the more intense its flavor becomes. Grana Padano usually ages around 18 to 24 months, although some producers age it up to 36 months. It is a very adaptable cheese, used in various dishes, often grated over pasta dishes, soups and risotto, or served as a table cheese alongside cured meats and breads. It also pairs very well with red wines such as Chianti Sangiovese, or perhaps your favorite wine, a great addition to salad and sandwiches. And regarding nutrition, the cheese is a good protein, loaded with calcium and vitamin A source. Relatively low in fat, around 30% less than the counterpart Parmigiano-Reggiano. And of course, this cheese makes it an excellent option for those looking to maintain a healthy, stable diet without sacrificing the flavor. In conclusion, dear friends, remember that gastronomy is an endless journey of discovery, and every dish holds its own tale. So keep exploring, experimenting, and embracing the flavors that make our world enchanting and diverse. And that is all for this episode on Grana Padano here at Flavors and Knowledge. For all details, recipes, and news, please follow the links on the show notes and subscribe to our free newsletter, Flavors and Knowledge, on Substack.com. Lastly, if you're in the kitchen today or tonight, always keep your eyes on the fire. Eat well and stay safe. Ciao, ciao.
Flavors and Knowledge is brought to you by Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island. For classes, workshops, events, and programs, please visit our website at chefwalterscookingschool.com. For all other services offered by Chef Walter's Food Group, check out our main website, chefwalter.com.